every building is different, and depending upon the planning of the building, you have to see in case of real emergency how the occupants are going to exit the marginal spaces around the building, so that in case of real emergency how my fire appliances are going to be there.
Be serious about your life and please give due importance to the fire safety aspects, whether it is a implementation, protection or the installation of the firefighting system.
In metal, after maybe a couple of years, the system has to be checked, audited. If there are leakages, or if there are basically breakdowns, or if there's a corrosion in the pipe, okay, the pipe has to be replaced.
Using your CPVC pipes, you do not have to worry about corrosion factor, because it is going to immune to corrosion. So it will not corrode, and it is going to give you a maximum flow available into the pipe.